Welcome, this is Bhantawtv and I'm going to show you my application, which is this is the free earning app, the top coin. So I have a balance here which is 54,585 gold coin, or equivalent to 64.41 pesos. Earn this gaming app is you are going to perform a task that we have here, from lucky spin down to the invite friend, and this is the all task that you are going to do, but every day going to perform. So we have a specific, for example, in the daily task is that you are going to play it to earning task, and you are going to download. You should download the application is that you are going to uninstall that one. And for example, if I'm going to do so, this one, and like this, it must be need to sign up. And another one is, for example, this one, Tongit Star. Okay, I'm going to, let's say, oh, it's not available, and I'm going to find another one, for example, SM Moves Online, and like that. I'm going to wait, okay, and turn it back to the app. So you will see here that you are going to open first the two gaming app, and I finished the gaming app. So after I open the gaming app, I finish the application, and then I'm going to receive this one, the reward. So in the daily task, you need to perform this one for you to be able to withdraw, because this is one of the requirement before you withdraw. And the complete hot offers, you are going to download even one app, and I'm going to scroll down. For example, this one here is the hot gaming app, the Ants, Underground Kingdom, and Vegas Casino Slot, something like that. You are going to do so. So it's late night, maybe tomorrow I'm going to perform this one. And the other task is that the lucky spin, yes, over here, this is a pre also. You are going to spin this one. I think you are going to spin first 15, and after that you are going to get 2 5 5 the spin. Okay, I have to wait. Oh, like this. So no need to show the other one. And next is that to have a point is that we are going to invite by the use of our invitation link. So for you to be able to download this gaming app, I will put this one on my description or pinned comment so that you can directly download this gaming app. And at the same time, I don't have, I have zero referral, because I didn't put my link in my account in my YouTube. So for now, later on, I will indicate my invitation so that you will use it and you can directly download this gaming app. And in the VIP bonus, and I will show you, is that we have the additional limited rewards. Once you complete to invite, for example, you will get 2.65 down to here. So there is a maturity when it comes of this. So ahead of time, so for example, this one, it must be, I have to invite until 59 before 12 in the midnight, yeah. So you have to do so. And cash out 1 peso for Lazada for free. A lot of advertisement, and we have a VIP bonus, yeah, and I show you. And at the same time, for you to have an extra points is that you must be like the official fan page of Top Coin Philippines, and you can use, or you will enter a gift code here. To earn more coins is that this one, you will play the video, earn, so you will play an advertisement and you will get a coin. And the other one is that we have a mini games here. It helps also to, to earn more coins in this gaming app. And the next one, this moment I'm not eligible to withdraw because the minimum withdrawal here is that, so you're not going to repeat the withdrawal. So the available that I'm going to withdraw is came from 100, 200, 300 down to 500 pesos. So if I'm going to withdraw the 100 pesos, it is required a 80,000 gold coin. At this moment, my gold coin is that 54,893. So I'm not eligible yet to withdraw. And of course, there is a condition if you are going to withdraw, and pass immediately. I show you about this cash out can be cash out one time and completed high earning task 5 times on the same day before to withdraw. Only valid for tasks that reward 300 coins or more completing money making tasks. So the application that I show you from the hot offers, so it is need to to perform that one before you cash out. And in my history is that I've been cash out 15 pesos directly to my mobile. It is mobile top up because the minimum withdrawal here before, once you are going to withdraw, the low minimum cash out is 15 pesos and the other one is 50. So you're not going to repeat the withdraw. And for example, if I withdraw the 100, the next one is 200, the next one is 300, and the last one is 500 pesos. So this gaming app is legit and until now is paying. Hoping from this video presentation you learn a lot, and I'll give you the update in regards to this. This is Bhantawtv. If you like on this video presentation, do a thumbs up, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on my next update in regards to the money making app and other videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.